Hello guys, what you're going to be doing today is you're going to be doing life on the home front. So what life was like during World War II in the United States. So of course you're going to go into modules and you're going into Great Depression and World War II. And then go down here and click on life on the home front. Okay, and then for it to load. And Google's been a little bit slow, guys. I don't know what's going on with that, but I called the district and kind of let them know. So you're going to click on this, okay? And what there is there going to be different, like just little short things about what life was like. So it's going to talk about Rosie the Riveter. Oh, I love her. She's so cool. And then it's going to talk about War Production Board, and then rationing, and rationing's on your test, and new rules for minorities. And so you just have a couple questions to answer, okay? And then you'll go back in here and hit submit when you're done. All right, keep working hard. You guys are doing great.